This is a part 2 series of the Super Uni-Directional Condenser microphone. Will it block off or reduce background sound? Please stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to ProTech Station. It's great to see you all. So last week I have posted a video for this Super Uni-Directional Condenser microphone. I made an unboxing, review, and also a demo of the sound quality of this microphone. By the way, if you have not checked out that previous video, please feel free to check out that previous video for the more in-depth review of this microphone. I'll be leaving links on the bottom of the description, so you may feel free to check out that video first if you want to learn more about this microphone. Otherwise, if you are here to cut to the chase and hear the sound quality and see if this microphone will block off or reduce background sound, then this video will be for you to check out. Gotta give a big shout out to one of my viewers by the name of Logan Dion Troutman. Without him, I would not be making this secondary video. So thank you for him for watching the video and also gave me a comment of the video. On the comment, he says, "Thanks for the review. I could hardly hear background on both modes." So basically what he was stating, I was using the condenser mode and I was using the shotgun mode while playing background music in the background to see if this microphone will pick up any sound. I also use my lavalier microphone to do sample recordings with the background sound as well. And so basically after seeing his review, so I also went back and checked out my video. And I really do notice that I haven't emphasized the background sound as much as I would like it to be. So in this video, I will do the same background music, but this time I will crank up the background music higher. So this time I hope my audience will hear a more significant background sound and see if this microphone will do the job to block off, filter, or reduce most of the background sound compared to my lavalier microphone. Because of the problem of this lavalier microphone that I'm currently using, it picks up really good sound quality in terms of my voice, but it also picks up a lot of background sounds. That's why I bought this microphone. Hopefully it will do the job to reduce most of the background sound that I have a lot of background sound while I was recording in my house. So throughout the day, I try to record my content, but the thing is I cannot record because I have a lot of background sound from my family. Running around, watching TV, playing, and it creates a lot of background sound which I cannot record my content. So usually I have to wait till they are all asleep and I do all my setups and stuff. Most of my recording is done around 2 a.m. in the morning. As you can hear, this is what I'm talking about, background sound. Can you hear the airplane sound in the background? It's 2 a.m. and I always have a lot of airplanes flying all over the place. Well, at least it's better than daytime where I have all the kids running around, playing, screaming. Anyways, if you guys can do me a favor, if you like the video or enjoy the video, please help me smash the like button. This really helps support the channel big time. So today's test for this microphone will be very simple. First, I will play background music in the background. This time I will play the background music much louder than my previous video. Then I will count 1 to 10 and I will do 3 sets of recording. First recording will be on the condenser microphone mode. Second recording will be on the shotgun mode. And third recording will be back on my lavalier microphones. All of the recording will have background sound. This time I will crank up the background sound louder. So hopefully this will mimic a more extreme background sound that I usually will get, to see if this microphone will be able to filter the background sound or reduce the background sound for a usable record level. So let's get going. As you can hear the background sound in the background from this lavalier microphone, I'll do a sample recording. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you hear the background sound? Now I have switched to this condenser microphone. Let me know if you can hear any background sound. Microphone testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I switch to tele mode. Tele mode is the shotgun mode. And supposedly shotgun mode should filter most of the background sound. Shotgun mode microphone testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And feel free to leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about the sound quality from the different microphones and the different modes. Or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave below. I will try my best to answer or address any issues if you guys have. Once again, if you liked the video, please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello everyone, welcome to... So last week I have posted a video of... So last week I have posted a video of this...
Oh, come on.